Since the last decade, the competition in the watch market is remarkably high, and it has been transforming the trend and adding more values day by day. Brands like Apple and Garmin are implementing cutting-edge technologies for the rugged versions to push the limits further and try to fulfill the demands of consumers. Apple has introduced their toughest ever smartwatch, the Watch Ultra. But can it match the best of Garmin? There's only one way to find out, comparing it with another best of Garmin, Fenix 7X. So today, we'll put these two flagship watches side by side and compare their durability, GPS tracking, battery life, smart features, value for money, and overall, who is ahead in the competition and deserves to be the rugged king. For an explorer to own any of these watches, they would certainly want it to be more robust than regular watches. Apple and Garmin exactly present their rugged versions following your preference. Garmin built Fenix 7X with a titanium bezel and constructed the body with fiber-reinforced polymer with a titanium rear cover, which is ready to deal with any adventure you would go for. On the other side, the Ultra is made with an aerospace-grade titanium, according to what Apple says, for the perfect balance between ruggedness, weight, and corrosion resistance, meaning you will have more comfort wearing the Watch Ultra for longer hours. Undoubtedly, these are the top-tier design material integration that can be the first choice for all rugged users. However, Apple is a step ahead when you compare the display. Apple's Retina display got the latest LTPO OLED technology that can reach up to 2000 nits of peak brightness, way ahead of the smartwatches you can find nowadays. In addition, the 49mm larger size screen will give you enough sharp visibility for your seamless operation. If you compare the Fenix 7X display, it's bright enough and quite visible in the sunlight for the transflective memory in-pixel display. However, if you are concerned about the winter activities like skiing, snowboarding, or ice skating, then Fenix 7X performs better because Garmin certified it for usage in conditions as low as -20 degrees Celsius. Both watches are made for adventurers to enjoy real-life experiences no matter where and how far they go. The Apple Watch Ultra offers multi-band GPS. This technology was first utilized by Garmin in their standalone GPS receivers in 2020, and it is also present in the Fenix 7X. The most significant satellite arrays like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou are supported by both watch systems. So with the GPS service, you can now forget your route to go beyond your limit. In terms of features, Garmin has safety, exercise, outdoor cycling, swimming, and plenty of numerous useful features that you may need in your ordinary life. You may want to go for a Corvette safari, camping, bungee jumping, and other activities. Fenix 7X just won't leave you blind, but update your status consistently. And an almost similar palette of features also exists in the Apple Watch Ultra, but the numbers are limited compared to Garmin. The best part is, you can make calls only with Ultra, and it has access to the greatest smartwatch app store of them all. You don't even need a phone nearby because 4G cellular is a feature that all Ultra watches have. A temperature sensor, emergency SOS, and an ECG heart health sensor are also exclusively included in the Watch Ultra. None of them do come with Fenix 7X. But Garmin has big advantages with its Topo Active Map offline or online mode. And 7X comes with a multi-LED flashlight, and it has compatibility with iOS and Android, so you know how Watch Ultra keeps you limited. Here's where Garmin takes the complete lead and dominates the market with no competition: the battery backup. The Apple Watch Ultra has now doubled the battery health compared to the Watch Series 8. It can survive up to 60 hours while you're in power saving mode. On the other hand, Garmin steals the show as Fenix 7X can hold 28 days of battery backup in smartwatch mode and 89 days with GPS-only mode, which can really increment your caving and camping experience broader. But besides all, how about the price? The Fenix 7X Sapphire display watch with solar charging costs $699, or $1,199 for the premium titanium model. And Apple costs $799 for its flagship watch. Compared to the price, Garmin is more expensive, but the features and performance it provides makes it a true contender for your outdoor activities. However, if you live in the Apple ecosystem and want something that can actually fit your needs, Apple Watch Ultra is good to go. So, which one did you like the most out of these two excellent rugged watches? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.